Sir, I am comfortable in both languages, sir. I want to give interview in English only, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, my name is Sandeep Kumar. I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh, and I did my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bagpat. Then, sir, I came to Delhi. All things are written here. Yes. Anything else you can tell us about you, what is not mentioned here, so that we can edit to it. Sir, recently I appeared in the final year exams of my Masters of Geography, sir, which is I am pursuing, sir, from Vardhaman Mahavir Open University, Kota, sir. And sir, because for the last few years I have been preparing for the civil services, sir. So geography my optional, sir. So that's why I took this option, sir, of having the masters from Open University, sir. So you are preparing for civil services? Yes, sir. So if you are focusing for the civil services, why this one? No, sir. It is one of the good options, sir. Since because, sir, I have inclined towards the job since my schooling days, sir. Because I was a part of Bharat Scouts and Guides, and when I joined this Bharat Scouts and Guides, I somewhere was attracted towards the uniform job, sir. So I was somewhere having this in mind that I should try for this kind of job, sir. You can remove your mask, your voice is not clear. So, do you read newspaper? Yes, sir. Today you have? No, sir. I was not able to get today's newspaper. Okay. Can you tell me what's the important news going all around the world? Sir, currently, if we see at international level, then the U.S. election news is going, and on India level, sir, we are promoting Atmanirbhar Bharat. So this news is going, and in sports, sir, IPL edition is going. So these are some of the news, sir. Do you know the name of Kamala Harris? Kamala Harris. Sorry, sir. You don't know. Yes. Joe Biden? Yes, sir. Who is he? Sir, he is a U.S. presidential candidate from Democratic Party, sir. And you don't know the name of the candidate who is from our Indian origin? Who is the vice president candidate? So whether they have been elected or still pending? Sir, no idea, sir. Sandeep? Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Sir, father of Eratosthenes is called the father of geography. What, sir? Sir, sorry, sir, I am not able to recall. Yes, sir. Initially, he measured. He gave the radius of the Earth, sir, and he gives some technical definitions to geography. So he is known for it, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, data mining is exactly uh, extracting the information from the huge amount of data, sir, by using different techniques, sir. Sorry, sir, I am not able to. Yes, sir, I read yesterday newspaper, sir. Sorry, sir, I have not read today's newspaper, and that will appear in today's newspaper, so I will read about it, sir. Sir, I read The Hindu, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, he is N. Ravi, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, actually, India considers this Kashmir issue, and when this infiltration or illegal activity takes place from Kashmir side, sir, so India want to solve this issue, sir, bilaterally, and it does not want to raise this issue internationally or get involvement of other parties, sir. So that is why we are not taking these steps. Yes, sir. But sir, we are taking all the possible steps to protect our sovereignty and integrity, sir. Sorry, sir, I will read about it. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I will read about it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, three famous personalities of Bagpat are, sir, Shri Satyapal Singh, right now, sir. He is MP from Bagpat Lok Sabha seat, sir. And earlier there was a person called Samal, sir. He was involved in the 1857 revolution, sir. And there is a person called Ajit Singh and Charan Singh, sir, who also won the elections and were MP for the 9 consecutive terms, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, uh, I do not exactly remember the main difference, but Ambedkar was actually want to get this reservation beforehand, sir, and Gandhi was proposing the idea of getting this reservation in a progressive manner, sir. Means he wanted to empower these SC or scheduled caste persons to have a reservation policy in a very progressive manner, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, it is a very, it is basically single knot tie, so I am not. Yes, sir. I have. Sir, actually, I learned this in the yesterday night, sir, and I in the morning I tried it, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, since last 10 years, I have been living in Delhi, sir. So I have seen the work profile of these persons who are working in Delhi Metro and airports as a CISF personnel. So, sir, I am attracted towards the professionalism of this particular force, and this force is also having the good infrastructure, sir. So, if I am getting the option to join this force, sir, so I will join it, sir. That's why I have put this force as my first. Sir, since I was living in the Delhi University hostel, so I generally used to come to Vishwavidhalaya, and they are very polite persons. They are very cordial one, and they have means citizen-centric approach, sir. So anyhow, sometimes if we are feeling uneasy or we are having some problem, they solve it in a very cordial manner, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, it will be an added advantage for me to have this BTech program, and my BTech program was also different from others, sir. Sir, I have done BTech in information technology, and the span of information technology can seen be all through the governance and all the policies of government of India, sir. We are no, sir. I don't want to say this because I have learned this in college. So, Sir, because I have also learnt in college and I have also done hands-on project on information technology. So I think I will be more comfortable in carrying forward the policy of information.
If we have the candidate who is MTech, then that he will be preferred over you.
Yes, sir. If there is a candidate who is more qualified than me, then he should be selected, sir.
So you are not confident about you.
No, sir. I am confident of myself, but if someone is having more qualities and more ability than me, then he should be preferred over me, sir.
So what do you think? Do you deserve it or not?
Yes, sir. I deserve it, sir.
Your first preference is CSR.
Yes, sir.
You also give some reasons. Your last preference is CRPF.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that CRPF is more risky than CSR?
Sir, I don't think so, sir, because all the forces which we are having under CAPF, sir, all the forces have been established for the purpose of internal security, sir.
Generally, there are also some written in news. Most of the CRPF
Yes, sir.
उन जवानों के बारे में ज़्यादा सुनते हैं, उनकी शहादत के बारे में ज़्यादा सुनते हैं।
Yes, sir.
क्या आपकी प्रेफरेंस में ये भी है? Why CRPF is the last preference?
Sir, yeah, there is no particular reason for it, but the activities or my past life experience have actually given me this option to choose the CISF as my first choice, and these border guarding forces, three of them, my choices are border guarding forces, sir. When I went to Wagah border, sir, as an educational trip journey from University of Delhi, so sir, I feel a sense of pride there, sir. So then I decided that if I get the opportunity to guard at the border, sir, then I will prefer it, sir. That's why I have given ITBP at my second choice option, and BSF as my third choice, and SSB as fourth choice, sir.
मुजफ्फरपुर मुजफ्फरपुर का मेन प्रॉब्लम क्या है? You think this is the main problem actually? सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत क्या है वहाँ की?
Sorry, sir. Actually, this is a village in Bagpat district, sir. So it is my post office, sir.
May I ask you one more very personal question?
Yes, sir.
What is your age
Sir, my age is 28 years, sir.
as per certificate?
Yes, sir.
And what is your actual age?
Sir, around 28 years, 4 months, sir.
You are married?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, because I am not having the career right now, sir.
So why you take this much time, 28 years?
Sir,
Should be settled by 25 years.
yes, sir. I should have been settled by the age of 25 years, but I went through a process, sir, and I want to.
Thank you, you may go now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
अप्रोच तो ठीक है, लेकिन इसके तो बिल्कुल वो है इसका। नहीं, लेकिन you know, he does not know the name of Kamala Harris.
होता है लेकिन उसका बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता।
हाँ, इसमें तो सर नहीं है, बट 70 देन 75 years.
75 क्या है तो फिर
उसको हिंदी में देना ज़्यादा अच्छा है। बुला लीजिए।
नॉलेज में उतना दिक्कत नहीं होगी, क्योंकि तो उसकी क्वेश्चन है कि नॉलेज वगैरह प्रेजेंटेशन तक पहुँचता है।
भेजो उसको। थोड़ा न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह पढ़ो, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
चलो जीके वीके नहीं उतना, तुम कुछ भी से तैयारी कर रहे हो, ज्योग्राफी से कर रहे हो, तो जीके तुम्हारा सपोज टू बी फाइन। न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह पढ़ो, कम से कम जो ट्रेंड वर्ल्ड ट्रेंड न्यूज़ वगैरह है। यू कांट से दैट कि आई एम बीटेक एंड आई एम डूइंग प्रिपरेशन फॉर दिस एंड आई डोंट नो द वाइस नेम ऑफ द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। If you are a graduate, you should have at least this type of knowledge. If not a deep knowledge, but it should have the common. That is called general knowledge, ना।
Yes, sir.
और हिंदी में भी इंटरव्यू दे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आई डोंट थिंक कि यू विल बी हैविंग प्रॉब्लम। हिंदी में भी दे सकते हो। इंग्लिश इज नॉट दैट बैड, बट यू कैन गिव इंटरव्यू हिंदी ऑल्सो, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा और है, बाकी सब बताएंगे। तुम्हारा मार्क्स है, इसको इम्प्रूव करो, थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा।
कब डेट है आपकी इंटरव्यू?
Sir, 12th November.
12 नवंबर।
ज़्यादा आपको नहीं चाहिए, बस पर्सनालिटी में आपकी भी ज़्यादा लड़कों की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आई प्रॉब्लम वाली,
Yes, sir.
उसको देखिएगा। क्योंकि क्वेश्चन भी पूछ रहा है बोर्ड मेंबर, यही तरफ देखने के साथ साथ अन्य लोगों को भी इन्वॉल्व किए रहिए, उधर भी नज़र घुमाते रहिए,
Yes, sir.
वरना एक जगह आप स्थिर हो जाए। दूसरी चीज़ जो आप सोच रहे हैं, तो
आँख ऊपर चल
हाँ,
रहा है.
आँख आपके ऊपर जा रही है, मतलब ये कि आप पता चल रहा है कि आप कंफ्यूजन में हैं।
Okay.
सामने देखिए, स्टोरी पढ़ लीजिए, डर नहीं।
सर समटाइम मतलब ये भी हो जाता है कई बार कि जैसे मैं इंग्लिश में किसी चीज़ को बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ तो वो उसको
to making a sentence,
हाँ,
description से
अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो उनसे पूछ लो कि ये वर्ड मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, हिंदी में बोलो।
तुम बोलते हिंदी में भी, तो इसलिए मैंने तुम्हें पहले कहा ना कि हिंदी में दे सकते हो। डोंट हैव द लैंग्वेज इज नो मोर ए बार नाउ। लैंग्वेज कैसा नहीं है कि आप हिंदी में भी बहुत सारे लोग इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, वही नहीं है इंग्लिश आपकी, बट इंटरव्यू में आपको जो आता है सब बताना चाहिए ना आपको। आप कुछ वर्ड्स की वजह से यू हैव सम रेस्ट्रिक्शन, सम है ना, रिजर्वेशंस, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना। ओके, ठीक है, गुड।
एक दो चीज़ें बस कर लीजिए, ज़्यादा नहीं लगाएंगे, इंटरव्यू करीब है आपको।
ऑल द बेस्ट,
थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है।
Thank you.
ज़्यादा नंबर इसलिए नहीं दिया है कि आप थोड़ा सा मेहनत करोगे ना,
सर मैं ओबेट करता हूँ.
दो
ठीक है।
तीन दिन आपके पास है, दो तीन
अब
दिन
बार बार ठीक से
हाँ, पेपर कर लीजिए।
है ना, ठीक है।
थैंक यू.